at y'all looking ass niggas. Stop looking at my ass niggas. Look at y'all lying ass niggas talking about his paid off for this finance lying ass niggas.
Hey y'all, today I'm going to be using these two toners. I'm not sure how I want to do the roots yet, so I'm just going to do the toners before I do the roots. And I probably should do it the other way around. But anyways, these are the toners I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using the two T15s and two T27s. So they look like this. And I'm only using 2 bundles and a frontal. This is some hair that I'm testing out for my company. But this is how the hair looks. But yeah, I might go ahead and take out half of one of the bundles because it's kind of thick. But I'm just going to go ahead and put on these black gloves. You can find all this stuff at Sally Beauty. So I'm going to use these black gloves. And 20 volume developer. I'm not sure if I want to use this intense ash brown or just this medium ash brown. You can get this at your beauty store. I got this at Walmart. Walmart is much cheaper, so try checking Walmart before you go to the beauty store for this one. I'm not sure which one I want to use yet though. This one kind of will give me like a grayish brown, and this one will give me a more warmer brown. But they're both ash. Alright you guys, so I end up using this color and I just mix that in a bowl with 20 volume developer. I kind of eyeball it, but make sure it's not too runny, and you don't want to use a lot because you're just doing the roots. So yeah, I sprayed this Got To Be Freeze Blast spray all over the lace. I did not even need, I don't know if this helped or what, but the lace did not get dyed, so I guess it did work. I'm spraying some water to get all of these baby hairs out of the way and everything to be slicked back. And I'm going to start painting on the roots. You want to take your time with this and make sure that you're not going too far up. Literally just stay right in the to the back. I'm just gonna literally paint on the back section of the track that's in the back of the frontal. You want to paint that as well, so like when the wind blows, everything is going to be seamless. I'm going in with a comb to just make sure that it's smooth out and it's not looking harsh, so everything is just going to blend into the hair. So you're just going to comb it, and then I leave this color on for 30 minutes. You want to put your timer on your phone so you're not going over it, because you don't want to over process this color. And this is a permanent color that you can get at Sally Beauty's. I don't remember if I said it, but I got this at Sally Beauty, and you just use a little bit. So after I'm done, I just put it to sit, and when the 30 minutes is over, we're gonna rinse it out with purple shampoo. Then I'm using 2 bottles of the T27 and 1 bottle of the T15, because I did not use the other bottle. And then you're gonna put 6 bottles of this. Use 6 bottles. Since it's 3, multiply it by 2. So you put 6 bottles of toner in the bag. This is a simple way of toning your hair. Just put everything in a Ziploc bag and mix it up and then put your wig in. Make sure when you're putting your wig is damp and towel dry. You're going to put that into the mixture and then just close it up and start squeezing the toner into the hair. And then you can check every now and then to make sure that the toner got everywhere. And that's basically it. We're going to open up the bag when you know that the toner is everywhere and let that process with the bag open. And you're going to rinse it out when it's all done. You make it process for 30 minutes as well. I don't know if I said that. It needs to sit for 30 minutes. Put your timer on and then rinse it out. This is how it looks when it's rinsed out. And it looks different from when it's wet than when it's dry. But tell me if you guys want to see a video on how I install this wig. And this is basically the end of the video. I'm just going to put this wig under the dryer, and I'm probably going to show you guys how I cut off around the ear part. But tell me if you guys want to see how I install this wig and how I sew in my elastic band.
Long time we no kill a man, so we circle him in like the little man. Set a bomb, make a
Yo, Rico, we are
so
jungle.
must catch a man. That's the echo
We're
when
the
you got
mother part.
schema.
Someone right the God finger right now.
Shot fire, every man a drop flat.
Drop.
Everybody's drop every.
The one your name.
In the street, man, hustle every day.
Oh! Right now, big shout out to everyone that's got a 9 to 5 that make money. Everyone, big up everyone that make money. Tell them. Man, hustle every day. Whoa! Yo, good evening, man.
Asian brain,
Yo.
little later, be a champagne, tea that. Finch and Jane.
Right now, someone give me a lighter. Someone give me a lighter. Whoa, whoa.
Room, she a sing pang clean. Do a CT scan.
Money for my brain.
Money from my brain, dog. Money from my brain. Do a CT scan. Money from my brain. Money from my brain, dog. Money from my brain. Every woman, every man. Money from my brain. Money from my.
Bitch, I'm me. Bitch, I'm me.